Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Jasmine and I am excited to share with you guys keeping it a little bit light, a little bit positive, a little bit interesting. If you love makeup like I do, anytime I see something about makeup, I'm like, oh, okay, I want to know, especially those products that I've been looking for or all those brands that I really love that I want to grow my collection. I like skincare. I love those new skincare that I have heard so much about, but I'm like, oh, it's a little expensive. That's why I love Boxycharm, because I'm able to get skincare, makeup for such a great price. And I'm loving, there have so many brands happening for the month of April, but here comes this downside about it. These are brands that I want to get. Doing the research to do this video, I'm like, whoa, that sounds like a good product to get, so I don't mind getting that in my box. But the downside to that is because we're going through all something together that we don't know what's going to happen. A lot of us everybody is stuck. You are not able to go out, you're not able to you don't know what's going to happen. Cutting back on hours, not being able to work, it is pretty scary. And of course there's priorities, so I'm showing you this information, which I'm doing for myself. I'm like, you know what, I'm going to look at the spoilers, but I'm going to share them with you guys as well. So before the time comes, which is April 1st, which is around the corner, I have to make a decision if I'm going to keep a box or if I'm going to cancel one. And that way, once I see the spoilers, I can make my decision and say, now I'm at peace, because there's other priorities in my life that I need to handle. And the box right now is not a priority. Hey, I might miss it, it's okay, but having my peace is key. But in the meantime, it's good to see what's happening, it's good to see what's out there. Most of them are almost a full box reveal, I feel, but at least I have an idea of what's coming. Let's go ahead and get started with the base box. As you know, the base box is $25, and it's very interesting with everything that's happening and that's coming. As you know, we almost have a full box review. There was a sneak peek there shown recently from CEO. Also, all these are all new information that I'm sharing with you guys from that sneak peek alone. And the CEO did say you're going to be getting either 2 or 1 of these products. So one of the variations he did mention, it might be a full box. So let's go into the box so you can have an idea what I'm talking about. As you know, we all talked about the sneak peek number 1 and its Benefit Cosmetics. So everybody's going to be getting a primer. Everybody's going to be getting a primer. In that box, it's just going to be a variation between these two. You are running out or you love that primer, then get ready, because it's coming in the box from Benefit Pore Primer. So that's spoiler number 1. Spoiler number 2 is a choice. It was a choice, and it was funny that I wanted to do it in camera. I made my selection, but I wanted to pick my own palette. I thought I was going to be able to pick my own palette. I did it on camera, so now I'm stuck with the Sueva palette. It wasn't something that I wasn't planning, because I thought I was going to be able to pick one, but then I learned the hard way that they're going to pick it for me. So if it wasn't for that, I actually kind of like wanted to select an LMS product. So in the meantime, guys, I do have 2 different subscriptions, because one, I have it just for the premium box, and that one you do have to keep it open, and I'm in the wait list, so that's a big expense, $25 and $35 just to keep it open. And then I have one that I did subscribe last year when the changes were happening, so I was able to get it for a lot less for a whole year subscription. But that one, I have it as an upgrade to Boxy Luxe, so that's why I have 2 different ones. So I have one for Sueva and one for Elemis. So depending which one you selected, you're going to be getting a Sueva palette, which is a 10 different variation. I don't know which one I'm getting. And then on the other box, I'm going to be getting LMS product. So that was a choice item. Then spoiler number 3, this is a variation, and he did say some people are going to be getting it, and this is from Barrington. We have received these lashes previously, years ago. For me, I love getting lashes, and to be honest, every lashes I have received from Boxycharm I do love. So hopefully this time I do get it if I keep it open. So it's Paddington. The interesting thing is that we're going to be getting the glue. So I do have glue. Some of them I'm kind of like, I don't know, this one is like drying out too quickly. So I'm interested to see using the glue from Paddington with the lashes that I do like from that brand. But keep in mind, that's a variation. That's spoiler number 3 so far. Now we're going to move on to spoiler number 4, but it will be 4 and maybe 5, because like I mentioned, the CEO did say that people are going to be getting 1 or 2, and I'm going to be showing you the clip so you can see it for yourself what he did say that. So let's go ahead and look at the video.
Okay, so we have Iconic London. Those are drops. gonna open it later. This is a highlighter. Let me show you over here. You guys will receive at least one of those items, so you might receive 2 in some cases, but
what I love about sneak peek number 4, or maybe sneak peek 4 and 5, is 2 things, guys. Well, I saw this picture that I did get because I was debating if I was going to cancel or not, so I got this picture, and it's showing you the Benefit Cosmetics, then it's showing you the Sueva and the Elements, and then it's showing you just 3 products, and these are the 3 sneak peeks that it's showing you. Dose of Color is a lipstick, which I love this brand. And 2 products that I got from Boxycharm. I love it and I love it. I love these products, and this is Dose of Color, but the lipstick that is coming that we're going to be getting is a little bit different. And look at the packaging, is very pretty. So that's going to be one of the sneak peek. The second variation to that sneak peek is Iconic London, and I love this spray. It's funny because that's when we used to go outside. I haven't gone outside in a long time, but I will spray this and some of it just falls down on my body, and when I will go to the sun you will see a sparkle. So I really like how it smells and I like how it looks. So I really like this brand, and I really like their pictures on Instagram. So I'm going to be showing you the product that is coming. This is a highlighter from Iconic London, and it does say that it's going to be 3 different variations. So if you get this product, not this one but from this brand, it's going to be 3 different shades coming in the box. The next product that he did mention is Hank and Harry sponges. This is exclusive to Boxycharm, and look at the packaging, it's very pretty. But it's interesting because when I started my Instagram account in Boxy Box Sneak on Instagram, I share, hey guys, do you think we're going to be getting this in a previous box? And that was months ago, and now it's confirmed we're going to be getting it in a box. But some charmers are going to be getting it because all these 3 products I mentioned, Dose of Color, Iconic London, and Hank and Harry, they're all going to be a variation. But in this picture we don't see this product that he did mention, when he did say 1 or 2 of these products. So what is it? It's from Lavish Brush, or Lavish Brushes. Is a brand that it took me a little bit for me to find on Instagram, and then I realized they don't have that much information, or they're really new. It looks like it's really new. And this is going to be a set of brushes, which the CEO did mention in another video that we're going to be getting a set of brushes, but this time it's going to be for the eyes. I wonder if we're going to be getting one of the products from I mentioned that is in the picture, and maybe everybody's going to be getting the brushes. I wonder if that's what's going to be happening. If that's the case, then we just have a full box review, but that's not confirmed yet. I want to tell you that the choice date that's coming, this is going to be on, there's going to be a date, and that day 2 different events are happening. So on April 13, it is confirmed that the add-on store is going to be open, and I'm excited because the Berry Cherry Balm is going to be there. I did not get that in my box. I'm going to be seeing the price, because let's be real, this is not the time for me to be spending money like crazy. I'm going to be checking out the price, but I'm glad that at least it's going to be on the add-on store. That's going to be also early access for you to be able to make your selection on that same Monday. You're going to be able to make your selection for the base box. We don't know what the choice is yet, but at least we have the date, and that's coming up soon. So now let's move on to the premium box. The premium box is a lot of information, a lot of products, a lot of brands that I love. But I don't know what to think about it because there's so many variations going on. So let's get started with the premium box. Premium box, it costs $25. No, it costs $35, but it's going to cost $25 too, because you do have to join the wait list. And what happens is, once you join the wait list, you can do that now. Remember, you're going to be getting 6 to 7 full-size products. Hopefully we do get 7, because I haven't seen that in a while. It is free shipping. You get to choose 1 item, but if you're in the wait list, you don't get to choose anything. I didn't get to choose anything. The first month, you do have to be subscribed to the base box and the premium box. So that's why I have it there, but I'm debating if I'm going to keep it, because that's a big chunk coming out of my pocket. So now let's go inside to see what's coming in the box. Number 1 is a variation of 4. We don't know which one we're going to be getting, and there's 3 palettes and a skincare. So we have Smashbox LA Cover Shot Eyeshadow Palette, which is $4.45, and they wanted to do that palette inspired by LA, the sunset, and how LA is. So it's very pretty. It does have some warm tones and fun colors there. Then we move on to a more fun but also colorful palette. And this palette also seems like it's going to come with a brush. This is from Lunar Beauty, and this is a Life's a Drag eyeshadow palette. In my Instagram account, a lot of people were writing that they want this palette. So Let's see how many people are going to be getting this palette. And then we have Pure collab with Barbie. I think Barbie's celebrating, I think it's 60 years. So they did collab together with this very playful Barbie tone and very glam palette. And this is called Endless Possibilities eyeshadow palette. This one retails for $34. And the next variation, guys, next variation. Oh, this is all still, we're still in sneak peek number 1. Is Pharmacy Honey Potion Renewing Antioxidant Hydration Mask. The sad thing is that this is a smaller size. This is 1.7. So let's move on to sneak peek number 2. Sneak peek number 2 has 5 variations, and there's a balance between skincare and makeup. So let's see what the items are. The first one is Stila. This was something that was huge when it first came out. And this is the Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow. This one retails for $24. The next product as a variation for sneak peek number 2 is Cover FX Water Cloud Primer. I did a little research about the primer, and Cover FX, it does say that it's a cooling mousse. So on top of it is a cooling mousse. And it does say that's going to provide protection against blue light. Okay, let me do another research then. Blue light. It says that blue light, it can increase production of free radicals. What does that do? It could increase pigment, it says, and I suffer from hyperpigmentation, and it also could create redness on your skin. So the blue light is a way to, it does increase production. So knowing that this primer, it fights against it, it is a benefit. I didn't even know I need it. And it says also pollution, which is a free radicals. This primer, the size that I've seen is 1 ounce. So after I did the research, now let's move on to something much simpler with the third variation, which is Becca Luminous Blush, and it's going to come in 3 different shades. So that's going to be another variation on top of a variation. So you're going to be getting different shades. And then the next one is Copari Coconut Face Cream. And when you think of Becca, I'm like, oh, yes, I like Becca. But then I'm seeing the other stuff. I was like, well, let me keep my options open to see what else I like from those 5 variations. And this one's going to be the Coconut Face Cream, retails for $38. I'm excited. I know some people are going to be concerned because coconut, people do say that it could clog your pores. I use that in my DIY, and I never had that problem in my pores. But just to be safe, when I read it, it does say that it won't clog your pores. See, the last product also retails for, this one retails for $39, and it's from Peach and Lily, which I'm excited to try because I heard so many great things about this brand. But this is called the Good Acids Pore Toner. One is 3.38 ounce, and this toner, it says that it's going to remove dead skin cells. It's going to be working like an exfoliant. It's a pH adjusting toner, perfect because you need that pH balance there, and it's good for clogged pores, dullness, and rough texture. So it sounds so great. Toner, some people say that it's not a must-have. Some people like it to have it in their skincare routine. This is something that it is a toner. I do include in my skincare routine. It's very refreshing. I like it day and night. So it's up to you if you want to add it. And why not get all these products you get to try on very reasonable price, like Boxycharm. That's why I like Boxycharm. So guys, this is sneak peek number 2. So now let's move on to sneak peek number 3. This is the blush duo palette, and it's going to be available in 10 shades. There's 10 shades that are going to be available just on this variation alone. So that looks pretty good because that means that maybe more people are going to be getting it. We did get this in a premium box, so I don't know if they keep track of them. They're going to be like, you know what, you already got one. Let's skip you. I don't know. I don't mind getting another product from Natasha Denona. I really like it. This is the one I'm wearing today. It's so pretty. Or Libido Age Away Replenishing Cream. This cream is, the packaging does seem a little different in the website, but it does say that this is going to be from normal to dry. I hope I don't get it because my skin is not normal and it's not dry, so I won't be able to take advantage of this product. But it is a good product because the key ingredients are evening primrose and pumpkin seed. It does say that this is going to be a moisturizing cream that it is clinically proven to reduce fine lines and wrinkles and improve texture for a healthy, youthful glow. Guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. I hope it was able to light your day a little bit based on everything that's going on, which that's what I like. But at the same time, I feel like, I don't know, I'm not in the same mood like I used to be because, yeah, I haven't been going out to those places that I like, which is the movies. I love watching movies. I love going to the theater, especially for the popcorn. But hopefully it was helpful, a little relaxing, and that way you have some information what's happening for the month of April. So Thank you guys for watching this video, and until the next video, bye.